With the Power Rating component, users can effortlessly provide ratings across various categories, transforming feedback into a seamless experience. Power Rating provide unparalleled accessibility by strategically positioning them anywhere on your Lightning pages, flows, and community pages. Whether it's feedback on products, services, or any other category, Power Rating has got you covered. Click on the box below the record to preview and select the record you want to see for a preview. Next, click on the gear icon in front of the label to assign a specific label to your rating. Choose the value source that best represents the information you're looking for. This could be a custom metadata, custom setting, record field, or static value. Pick the desired value for the label and click Save. Now, for a visual touch, click on the gear icon in front of the icon type. Choose your preferred icon value and save your selection. To set the maximum value, access the gear icon in front of the max value. Moving on, click on the gear icon in front of the value. Select the value source and value, then save your configuration. Adjust the rating size by clicking on the gear icon and selecting the desired value. Click on the gear icon in front of the show value, check the checkbox, and click Save. Witness these changes in the preview section and save your overall configuration. Let's add the configured rating on the returned products record page. Begin by navigating to the app launcher. Search for returned products and click on it. From the list view, open any record. Next, click on the Setup button located on the page and choose Edit Page from the drop-down menu. Now, locate the Power Rating component and drag it to the desired location on the page. On the right side of the page, select the appropriate configuration name from the list, and then save the configuration. After saving, click the Back button to navigate back to the record page. You should now see the ratings displayed on the page.